Good Friday morning. Yay! We're about to finish our first or your first week in fourth grade. The picture you see on your screen is my fifth grader, now fifth grader, named Leilani. Of course, it's on the ranch and she's getting our bonfire going. It was this summer that was taken, this picture was taken. We absolutely loved nights of stories and roasting s'mores, one of our favorite pastimes. Today is also Fun Friday. Please complete the writing response to share with your classmates at 8:30. I also will have you complete a self-inventory for you to fill out so I can get to know a little bit more about you. We will also start sharing at 9:45 our weekly project of the top 10 favorites. So what I will do is pull each one of yours up in Seesaw, your top 10, and I would like for you to present your top 10 favorites to the class, something like what I showed you on the very first day of school. So I look forward to seeing you guys at 8:30, and we will see you shortly. Have a good Friday.